Welcome. In this video I will show you how to open RAR files on Windows 10. To open files with RAR compression type, you're gonna have to install the application because Windows cannot open RAR files by default. So I recommend downloading the 7-zip application because it's free and convenient to use. You can find it using your web browser. Just search for 7-zip, press enter, and then enter the 7zip.org website. Then download the 64-bit version by clicking right here. Click save. And if 64-bit version doesn't want to download or doesn't want to run on your PC, then try downloading this one. After that, run the installation file, select the destination folder. I will go with the default one, click install, and wait until the program is installed. And once it's installed, open your file explorer and open the folder where your RAR file is located. Then right click on it, select 7-zip, and then select open archive. And now you can extract files from this archive by selecting them, clicking extract, and then selecting the destination folder to which you want to extract these files. Click OK. And as you can see, the file is now extracted from this archive. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.